Hello, it's Monday, October 24th, and I'm Natalie Woods with MaxiForex Daily News. The US dollar fell versus most majors on hopes that the European debt contagion will come to a resolution soon. Wall Street finished strong with NASDAQ gaining 1.49% and the Dow Jones 2.31%. Crude oil increased by 1.55% and closed at $87.40 a barrel. Gold grew by 1.44%, closing at $1,635 an ounce. The euro gained versus the dollar on Friday over optimism that European leaders are closer to an agreement as to how to stop the debt contagion. The momentum of the euro-dollar is still bullish, facing resistance at 1.3910. If this resistance will be breached, the pair could rally strongly. The support is located at 1.3670. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 1.3703 and with a high of 1.3900. Today, French and German manufacturing and services PMI will be released. Industrial new orders are expected to rise by 0.1%. The euro-dollar last traded at 1.3850. The British pound rallied versus the US dollar, reaching a 6-week high after the public sector net borrowing showed a smaller deficit than expected. Public sector net borrowing came out at $11.4 billion, which proves to be better than the expected $12 billion. The trend for the pair will remain bullish if it maintains its support level of 1.5850. However, if the pair breaks that support, it may reach the 1.5430 level again. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 1.5752 and a high of 1.5972. The pound dollar last traded at 1.5960. The Japanese yen reached its strongest level versus the dollar since 1946 as speculations regarding monetary easing by the Federal Reserve rose. Market participants bet the Japanese government will have trouble slowing the currency's gains. Technically, the dollar-yen is trading within a narrow range with no clear long-term trend. The pair tried breaking below its support level of 76, but failed to remain below it. Today, no major economic data is expected to come out from Japan. The dollar-yen last traded at 76.20. The Canadian dollar rose versus the US dollar as commodities rose following the positive momentum in the markets and higher demand for higher-yielding assets. The Bank of Canada will announce its interest rate decision on Tuesday. The interest rate is expected to remain unchanged at 1%, but rumors could affect the currency's movement. The trend from the pair remains bearish with a strong resistance level of 1.0250. The dollar CAD last traded at 1.0055. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit us at MaxiForex.ru for all your online trading needs. I'm Natalie Woods, wishing you a happy trading.